Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest water bottle I have ever owned. This is Enerbone's water bottle. It comes, of course, with a plastic bottle that you can actually take out of this neoprene sleeve. So you can start at 8 a.m. and then you can refill it at 2 p.m. and you know you're getting all of your water that you need for the day. The bottle itself has this frosted ombre look, which is so pretty. I've had so many compliments on it. The water bottle has this really cool flip top, so you can lock it and then you won't be able to open it. And then once you unlock it, it's very easy to just pop open and start drinking. On top of that, they give you this amazing neoprene bag that you can take with you. So if you're going on a long walk, a hike, you're gonna go to the gym, you can easily slide it into your sleeve. And what I love about this sleeve is you have this adjustable strap. It also has a wrist strap. I am so satisfied with the features of this water bottle. It's durable, it's really easy to drink out of. Every water bottle should have a carrying case like this. It makes it so much easier to go hands-free. And I am really happy with this product by Enerbone. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.